Ever wonder what happens to your mortgage if your lender sells it to another company? Or maybe you're a lender thinking about transferring a mortgage. Well, that's where something called an assignment of mortgage comes in. It sounds complicated, but stick with me, and I'll break it down for you. So, what exactly is an assignment of mortgage? In simple terms, it's a legal document that transfers a mortgage from one lender to another. The original lender is called the assigner, and the new lender is the assignee. Think of it like passing a baton in a relay race. The original lender hands off the rights to collect your mortgage payments to a new lender. Why does this happen? Well, the mortgage market is huge and dynamic. Lenders often buy and sell mortgages as part of their business strategy. For the original lender, selling the mortgage frees up capital so they can issue new loans. For the new lender, it's a way to acquire a steady stream of income from your payments. It's a very common practice in the financial world. Now, if you're the homeowner, what does this mean for you? The most important thing to know is that the terms of your original mortgage, your interest rate, your monthly payment amount, and the total amount you owe do not change. The only thing that changes is who you send your payments to. The new lender is legally required to notify you of the transfer, so you'll know exactly where to direct your payments. You don't need to do anything or sign any new papers. Your obligations remain the same, just to a different party. For lenders, or anyone needing to create this document, an assignment of mortgage form needs to include key details: the names of the original lender, the new lender, and the borrower. It also needs to reference the original mortgage document, including the property's legal description and the date the mortgage was recorded. It's a formal document that must be signed, notarized, and recorded with the county to be legally binding. This ensures there's a clear public record of who owns the mortgage. And here's some good news for you. If you need a template for an assignment of mortgage, we've got you covered. You can download a professionally prepared template at the link in the description below. It makes the process so much easier. I hope this clears things up. An assignment of mortgage is just a standard part of how the lending industry works. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate and finance tips. Thanks for watching.